Animations take a lot of work to create. So, for now, we're going to be borrowing animations from the web. Luckily, there are some amazing tools nowadays to get animations really easily and seamlessly integrate them into our projects. And we'll be using one of those sites now. Head to a site called Mixamo.com, Mixamo. It's related to Adobe products, and it's kind of a tool that has pre-built animations that you can download and import into your projects. So pause the video, go to Mixamo, create an account, and I'll see you once you're logged in here. Okay, hopefully that you listened and went through and logged in, and you should now start to see that you're actually able to scroll through a big list of animations, some using just kind of these empty robot rigs. I love it when my headset turns off in the middle of a video. Anyway, I'm back, and some of them you see have more texture to them. You are actually able to upload 3D character files and have animations applied to them. But since we're not working with that right now, we won't worry about it too much. But you can preview all sorts of pre-made animations, but you're going to kind of be stuck with the textures that are on those bodies for now. We do have some other tools that we could use. If you're interested in really customizing this, I'll show you another time about getting kind of custom uh, textures, characters that you can upload. But for now, we'll just worry about snagging animation states. So maybe something that I want to do in mine is just keep this kind of basic look. There's lots of them that look like this kind of blue robot-y look. So maybe I'll have this push animation. And in here, I have, oh no, why is it red in this preview here now? That's okay. I'm actually able to customize some components of this animation. Make it look like it's lighter, make it look like it's really heavy. So just play around with exactly what I want it to look like. And once I'm happy with what the animation looks like, just press download. And of course, there's a lot of different settings, a lot of different animations to explore. I'll leave that for you to explore. All I want us to do in this tutorial is just get connected and see that when we press download, we want to make sure we choose our format, FBX for Unity. Okay, so it has the settings set for Unity. And we can keep the skin as the robot, or if you want to remove the skin altogether and just have it come as kind of a really basic humanoid body, then you can do that as well. That might be a way, if you find different animations that you like, but they have different textures, you can just remove all the skin from all of them, and it should be a lot more cohesive. And don't worry about keyframe reduction. We should be fine without doing anything like that, and keep the FPS probably at 30. Hit download. And what this is going to do is it's going to give us this .fbx file. That's really easy to work with. I am just going to head back into Unity. Let me pop up in my Unity here. And I can simply just drag and drop this FBX file and import it. And now I see I have this asset that I can click this little sidebar here to pop open and see more information about it. You'll see that it kind of has a little breakdown of the joints and the surfaces and some of the different textures. And this final one here is actually about the animation itself. The frames, if I press play, I can see the animation playing out. This is the information about the animation itself. What happens if you want your character to have more than one animation state? Well, I already have an animations folder here. I'm going to move this push into this animations folder, and I see that now I have 3 of them. I have this boxing one. Let's take a look at this really quick. So that punch that we saw in the preview, that's there. I have this praying one. Let's play this. Yeah, a pretty boring one, just kind of statically praying. And now I have this new push one I just downloaded. So to have animation transitions, of course, we need to have each of those animations separately stored that we can just transition between. So in this section, before you move on, I'd like you to, in your projects, snag at least one other animation, have a few of them here, and in the next video, we're going to add an NPC controller, an animation controller, and we're going to do some work by getting our animations to transition when we want them to.